Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss some problems on permutations problems based on first of all we some problems on NPR. Okay. Last class we discussed the formula of permutation NPR. The formula of NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, that is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, up to so on, n minus r minus 1. Okay, if you have np1 is equal to n, np2 is equal to n of n minus 1, np3 is equal to n of n minus 1 of n minus 2. Okay, NP1 only one, NP2 n is n minus 1. Starting with n, write down the two terms. NP3 means n minus 1, n minus 2, up to so on. Okay. Npn is equal to n factorial. Npn is equal to n factorial. This is the basic formula of Npn. Okay, we have some more formulas on Npr. The first formula is Npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. The second formula is Npn is equal to n factorial by n minus n factorial. That is equal to n factorial only. Next, third one, Np1 is equal to always n. Np1 is equal to always 1. The fourth formula is Npr plus r into np r minus 1. Npr plus n of p r minus 1 is equal to the formula is n plus 1 pr. N plus 1 pr. Next, fifth formula is npr by npr minus 1. npr by np r minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1. n minus r plus 1. This is the basic formulas on NPR. Okay, already last class we discussed the how to find the NPR values. How to find the NPR values. Okay, if you have 5p2, okay, write down the starting with 5 and write down the two consequence terms. And what is the value of 5p3? Without applying the formula directly, find the NPR values. 5p3 values starting with 5. Write down the three consequence terms 5, 4, 3. In case of 10p3 starting with 10, write down the three consequence terms 9, 10, 8. Decreasing consequence terms. In case of 10p5, starting with 10, write down the 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case of 11, the value 10p5 would rise. Starting with 10, 6 consequence terms in the 11. Reverse of 5 12 into 11 into 10 and the value 12, 11, 10. Starting with 12 and we have 3 consequence terms. That's why like the 12p3. This is the method for find out the PR values without using the formula. Now we discuss some examples on PR formulas. Some examples on PR formulas. Okay, exercise 5A, Roman number 1. The first problem is np3 is equal to 1320, then find the value of n. Find the value of n. Exercise 5A, first problem. Okay, here NPR formula. Okay, given np3 is equal to solution given np3 is equal to 1320. Okay, np3 means n consequential terms. 3 consequential terms. That's why we convert the 1320, the product of the 3 consequential terms starting with 3 consequential terms. Okay. 13 32 into 10. 1322 divided as 12 into 11 is equal to 10. 12 11 is 132. Okay, 1320 you can written as 12 11 10. The product of the 3 consequential integers, positive integers. Okay, already we have discussed 12 11 10 divided as 12 11 10 converted to PR 12p 3. Starting with 12 and we have 3 consequential decreasing terms. That's why we write 12 3 and in left side 12p np3. Comparing the both sides, in place of n we have 12. In place of n we have 12. That's why n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. Same problem if you given the 12pr is equal to 1320. 12pr is equal to 1320. Then find the smaller value. Same problem 1320 is converted to 1320 divided as 12 11 10 divided as 1320 13p 3. Okay, left side 12p 3. Comparing r value, in place of r we have 3. R is equal to 3. Now find the n value and automatically r value. But here only np3 given 1320. The value of n is 12. This is the first problem in first set. Okay, second problem. Okay, same problem. If np4 is equal to 1680, np4 is equal to 1680, then find the value of it. Then find the value of n. Okay, np4 is equal to 1680 converted to value. Okay, 1680 8 1 ja 8 2 ja 16 8 1 ja 8 2 10. Okay, 8 as 720 right as 7 into 30. Okay, 8 into 7 into 6 5. Okay, your consequent systems are 8 7 6 5 are consequent systems, and starting with the 8 and we have 4 consequent systems. That's why I write the 8p4 here, np4, and comparing the both sides, the value of n is 8. Therefore, n is equal to 8. This is the method for finding the n value or r value. Okay, we have 4. That's why I write the consequence terms of 4 consequence terms. The highest number is n1. The highest number is n1. Okay, next problem. In exercise second problem. Okay, in exercise second problem, if np7 is equal to 42 into np5. np7 is equal to 42 into np5. Then find the n value. Then find the value of Then find the value of Okay, here observe the np7 is equal to 42 into np5. Okay, np7 means starting with n and write the 7 consequence terms. That's all. n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, n minus 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Starting with n and right now 6 consequence decreasing terms is equal to 42. Here np5. np5 means starting with n and right now 5 consequence terms. n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here n minus 1 n minus 4 here n minus 1 n minus 4 get cancelled. Remaining value is n minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to 42. n minus 5 n minus 6 is equal to 42. Okay, the product of value of n square minus 6n minus 5n plus 30 is equal to 42. Okay, here n square minus 11n 42 getting inside minus 12 is equal to 0. 13 minus 42 12. It is a quadratic equation in terms of n. You get the n values. Okay, n square 1 12 12. Here write the 12n plus n minus 12 is equal to 0. Here n is the common, n minus 12 plus 1 is common, n minus 12 is equal to 0, and n minus 12 is common, n plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 12, n is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 does not exist. Minus 1 does not exist. Therefore n is equal to 12. n is equal to 12. Okay, here apply the NP7 value and value of NP5 value. Okay, both sides cancel. The remaining are n minus 5 n minus 6 and product of left side value, get the quadratic equation n value. Finally get the n value. Okay, next problem. Okay, next problem is third problem. Okay, if n plus 1 p5 is to n p6 is equal to 2 is to 7. n plus 1 p5 is to n p6 is equal to 2 is to 7. Okay, same problem. East makes n plus 1 p5 by n p6 is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, n plus 1 p5 means starting with n plus 1 and write down the 5 constituency terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by NP6. NP6 means starting with n, write down the 6 constituency terms. 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Next one is n minus 4. Next one is n minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, is equal to 2 by 7. Here n minus 1 n minus 3. Here n minus 1 n minus 3 get cancelled. The remaining value is n plus 1 by n minus 4 of n minus 5 is equal to 2 by 7. And getting cross multiplication, 7 of n plus 1 is equal to 2 of n minus 4 of n minus 5. Okay, here 2 of n square 9 and 5 are 9n plus 20 is equal to 7n plus 7. That implies 7n plus 7 is equal to, okay, 2n square minus 18n plus 40. Okay, that implies 2n square minus here 18n into 7 minus 25n plus 40 minus 7, 33 is equal to 0. We are getting the quadratic equation in terms of n. Okay, quadratic equation in terms of n. Then find the roots of 33 3 63. How 2n square minus 25n plus 33 is equal to 0. 2 33 66. We have 2 33 3 11 6 6 11 22 11 33 22 plus 3. Okay, 2n square minus 22n minus 3n plus 33 is equal to 0. 23 minus 3, 25, and product is 66 only. Here 2n is common, n minus 11 minus 3 is common, n minus 11 is equal to 0. Here n minus 11 common, the value is 2n minus 3 is equal to 0, where n is equal to 11, n is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, n is always positive integer, does not exist, therefore n is equal to 11. This is the final answer. Okay, next problem. Okay, next fourth problem is 12p5 plus 5 into 12p4 is equal to 13pr. Then find the small r. np5 plus 5 into np4. np5 plus 5 into np4 is equal to 13pr. Then find the r value. Okay, you have taken the LHS value np5 and 12p5. 12p5 means that starting with 12 and write down the 5 consequence numbers 12, 11, 10, 9 into 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 into 12p4 means starting with 12, write down the 4 terms 12, 11, 10, 9 is equal to 13pr. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 12, 11, 10, 9 and 12, 11, 10, 9 is common. Okay, common the 12, 11, 10, 9. The remaining value is here 8 and here is 5 is equal to 13pr. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. Okay, 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 is equal to 13pr. Okay, already discussed last year. Starting with 13, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. Okay, that's why you take the 13p5 is equal to 13pr. Okay, combining the both sides. Okay, r is equal to 5 only. R is equal to 5. Okay, this is very easy problem. Okay, you have another method also there. Okay, another method OR. Okay, we have given 12p5 plus 5 into 12p4 is equal to 13pr. We have write down the one formula if npr plus r into np r minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 pr. We have one formula npr plus r of n plus 1 pr. Here apply the 12pr plus r into 12p r minus 1. Here r is 5. Okay, here n is equal to 12 and r is equal to 5. Okay, 12pr plus r into 12p4 is equal to, the value is left hand side is 12p5 plus 5 into 12p4 is equal to 13pr. The value of this is according to this formula. The value is 12 plus 1 pr. n plus 1 pr is equal to 13pr. Okay, 13p5 is equal to 13pr, where r is equal to 5. Here r is equal to 5. Here also r is equal to 5. Okay, next problem. Okay, next to fifth problem. If 18p r minus 1 is to 17p r minus 1 is equal to 9 is to 7, then find the value of 18p r minus 1 is to 17p r minus 1 is equal to 9 is to 7. Here given the, that means ratio, you have given the 18p r minus 1 by 17p r minus 1 is equal to 9 by 7. Okay, here 18p r minus 1. The value of 18p r minus 1 starting with 18, you are write the r minus 1. But we can't write the r minus 1. That's why here apply the NPR form. NPR form is n factorial by n minus r factorial only. Okay, you are apply the numerator and denominator same formulas, NPR formulas. Here 18 factorial by n minus r factorial. 18 minus r plus 1 factorial by 17 here 17 factorial by 17 minus r plus 1 factorial is equal to 9 by 7. Okay, 18 plus 1 19 minus r, here 18 minus r, we are getting outside 18 factorial into 18 minus r factorial, 18 minus r factorial by here 17 factorial into 18 plus 1 19 minus r factorial, 19 minus r factorial is equal to 9 by 7. Okay, now simplify the, here 18 by 7 factorial. In case of, we have 10 factorial by 9 factorial. 10 factorial is written as 10 into 9 factorial by 9 factorial. Both are cancelled or simplified. Okay, 2 factorials simplified and which one is the highest factorial? 18 factorial by 7 factorial, 17 factorial. Okay, 18 factorial expansion is 17 factorial, sorry, but 17 factorial expansion is 18 factorial. That's why 18 factorial is written as 18 factorial is written as 18 into 17 factorial. And here 18 minus r factorial, here 19 minus r factorial. Which one is biggest value? 18 minus r, 19 minus r. 19 minus r is the highest factorial. That's why the 18 minus r factorial is as usual. And 17 factorial is as usual. And 19 minus r factorial is written as 19 minus r into 19 minus r minus 1. Whereas 18 minus r factorial is equal to 9 by 7. Now 10 factorial is written as 10 into 9 factorial or 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Like that, 19 minus r factorial is written as 19 minus r into 18 minus r factorial. Here 18 minus r factorial and 18 minus r factorial get cancelled, and 17 factorial and 7 factorial are get cancelled. Remaining value is 18 by 19 minus r is equal to 9 by 7. Okay, 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja 14. The cross multiplication is 14 is equal to 7 2 ja 14 is equal to 19 minus r. Here r is equal to 19 minus 14. R is equal to 5 only. R is equal to 5. Okay, can't explain we are using the NPR formula and simplify the factorial values to get the answer. Okay, here simplify the factorial values. 18 factorial by 7 factorial. Okay, 18 factorial modify just 17 factorial also. We covered 18 factorial in 18 into 17 factorial value. Okay, 17 factorial cancel. Here 18 minus r and 19 minus r. 19 minus r is biggest factorial. That's why 19 minus r modify just 18 minus r factorial also. This is the first exercise problem. Okay, now some more example problems are there. Okay, write down simplify yourself. Okay, you have some example problem. The first problem is NP4 is equal to 1680. Then find the n value. Find the n value. The second problem is 12PR is equal to 1320. Then find the R value. Next, third problem, n plus 1 P5 is to NP5 is equal to 3:2. Then find the fourth one is 56P R plus 6 is to 54P R plus 3 is equal to 3800 is to 1. Then find the R1. These are example problems, same as this problem, and try yourself. Okay, thank you.